Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to configure this bucket for website hosting. And in case you're wondering why we are not working with the www.videomarketingfe.co bucket, that's because we're only going to use that bucket for a redirect. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the properties area to complete the configuration. And what we'll do is we'll click static website hosting. We are then going to click this button that says use this bucket to host a website. We're then going to make sure that our document is index.html. We're then going to copy down our endpoint. So we're going to copy and paste this text into a notepad file. Once we have our information in our index document as well as our hosting domain, we can then click Save. And our bucket now is configured for website hosting. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.